Hey guys, this is Mrs. Rapp. I am here to show you how to access Google Classroom. I know that I'm not with you guys right now, but this is the best way for me to teach you how to get on Google Classroom and access everything that I need you to get on. So the first thing, obviously, you can see mine is up here. I have a little tab. I suggest that you make a tab at yours or on your Chromebook, or you can click this little 9 box over here, and Classroom usually pops up. So go ahead and click Google Classroom. If it doesn't pop up, all you do is have to do classroom.google.com, and it will pop up. It'll ask you, you should be signed into your Chromebook, and if you're not, it'll ask you to sign in. All you do is use your regular Google sign-in that the school created for you, your ID number at millcreeksd.org. So for me, I am going to show you with my academic block 2. So here, if you go in, you guys are going to have a little plus sign. Let me go back up here. At the end of this, I will have the teacher give you a join class code, and you can use that code to get into the class. So you're going to click join class. Once you get that class code, you're going to go ahead and type it in there and click join. Now, once you join, you will come here. You will see that this is basically our home page. Now, what's hard with this is it's kind of like a Facebook or a Twitter stream. You see the newest at the top, the oldest at the bottom. This is kind of my biggest pet peeve when it comes to Google Classroom, because if you want to find something, you have to scroll the whole way to the bottom. Now, in this one, obviously, I don't have very much added right now, but it will get there. My suggestion for you guys is to use the topics on the left-hand side. You can see that you have the topics, the syllabus and bell ringers, new Unit 1, your Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4, and your vocabulary units. This is the easiest way to access anything on Google Classroom. So, for example, I'm going to click on syllabus and bell ringer. My goal is to have everything for you at the tip of your fingers. So if you come here, you have your syllabus, your grammar bell ringers, and also the syllabus attachment for grading. If you go to Introduction to Unit 1, you will see my PowerPoint, the packets, and your unit glossary. So if you are absent on any occasion during Unit 1 and you know that we took notes according to your class calendar, all you have to do is click on the PowerPoint and it will bring my entire PowerPoint up for you. You can scroll through it. You can take the extra notes. That way you are up to date when you come back to class. Same as the vocabulary units. When we do vocab units in here, we will take a week and go over 3 words a day. And then at the end of that week, I will post my answers. So here you can see this is the Unit 1. This is what your sheet will look like. If you missed a day and or say you were a little bit behind, you missed a word, and you didn't want to raise your hand and say, hey, can you wait for a second? If you come here on Friday at the end of the day, all the answers will be here. So all you have to do is go through and make sure that you fill out that section. So this is kind of Google Classroom. There is a little fun thing here you can do. As you can see, there's names of my other students, but I can invite your guardians, and they can get an update information on what we did in the past week or the past 2 weeks, and things like that. Google Classroom is really fun. I will eventually give you guys assignments on here where you're going to have to submit them on here, but this is the easiest way that you can access all the information for the course. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have you guys go ahead and join the class. Remember what you have to do to join the class. Let me go back to my main thing, is click this little plus sign right here, click join class, and go ahead and type in your code. Once you do that, I want you to click on our class and you're going to see a little pop-up happen. It is going to be called Walk Through Google. Okay, and I want you guys to quietly listen through this walkthrough and do all the steps in this video. That way you can have the most successful semester in this classroom as you can. You're going to get organized, and the folder that there's going to be 2 folders that you create. These folders are going to help me help you. Okay, so please make sure you follow these step by step, and make sure you label everything the way that you're supposed to label it, and also take some notes on some of the pointers that I give you, especially when going through Google Docs. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.